calm before the storm.
People down there. We're going to dinner. We came in from the pool. We got all cleaned up. Now we're going to dinner. And guess what? I'm hungry.
She's hungry, and so am I.
We ate a little bit of spaghetti for lunch.
They didn't give me a lot today.
Yeah, but that was good because I don't want to be stuffed for dinner. So now I'm a little hungry, and dinner will taste good. And I think they have Tom Turkey tonight. So I'm going to try Tom Turkey. They ain't had Tom Turkey in a long time.
Yep. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll bring you that menu right about.
Oh.
Max got the fried shrimp.
Like a trinket store.
And mine ain't got here yet. Got the potato cheese soup. Got appetizer, dill lemon chicken soup. Terry got the turkey.
I call him Tom
with
Turkey.
The sweet potatoes, but I got
Thank you.
the Tom Turkey without that, and Max got a giant
Double order, although it looks like a 4 order.
shrimp.
Oh gosh, Max.
We got a brownie and a half-baked cookie.
You get your first exam. You know,
I got nothing.
And so.
After sometimes you picture me, I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you have said.
It's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
To the sound. So what? I am a rock star. I got my rock moves, and I don't need you. And guess what? I'm having more fun. And now that we're done, I'm gonna show you tonight. I'm alright. I'm just fine. And you're too. So what? I am a rock star. I got my
That's what I was gonna say. He don't know what it is.
It's abstract. It's abstract.
This guy right here, man.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Evening. It's that time.
It's Thursday. We had a great day outside, like really shit. Had lots of nice dinner, lots of nice food. Everything was good. We had a great day. Now
did.
we get ready to close it out, and you know where I'm going, and you know where he's going.
Yep. So anyway, it's chocolate martini time. My only alcoholic drink today. I'm so good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Why do you drink those?
Because they're so good. If you never had one, you need to get one.
You need to
These
get
are
one.
the best drinks on the whole cruise ship.
They are. And tomorrow we will be in Grand Turk. We're probably going to go to Jack's Shack. So we'll bring that to you in
And
the
I'm
morning.
going to be in the ocean all day.
Me too. And we get in at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
So.
we're not getting in the ocean at 7, but we get into Jack's Shack about 7.
Grand Turk.
Grand Turk, yeah.
All right. We'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, we do, yeah.
Bye.